The ability to import an estimate from Winworks Insight is quick and easy. In this short video, I will show you how it's done. Click on Add Task right here. This will take you into the task window. You can click on Insight. This will pull up the Insight interface and load the correct vehicle for the job. Next, you can type in this search box right here the job you would like to do on this vehicle. This will load all of the tasks that are associated with your search. So you're doing a clutch assembly. You can put the drop down here to see all the items that are associated with that job. You can pick and choose which ones you would like, or you can select the checkbox right here to automatically select all of them. Once you have all the jobs ready to go to export, just click Export and Close. This will pull over the task name, the detailed description, and all of the parts, as well as the hours associated with your hourly rate. Once everything looks good here, just click OK to save. And that is all there is to it. If you have any questions about Winworks Insight, please feel free to give us a call or send us an email. Thanks for watching.